welcome to another episode of Rainforest Adventures in St. Lucia. I'm your host Sharine.
And I'm Shervon.
And today we're at Rainforest Adventures St. Lucia. And we will be doing the ultimate zipline experience.
As you can see, people, it's raining right now. It's Rainforest Heaven, so let's see what happens today. I'm not dressed for the part, but let's see.
Yes, so we're going to have some crazy fun, so stay tuned. From Rainforest Adventures, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what they do around here.
So hi, good day, first again, welcome you guys to Rainforest Adventures. Again, like Sharine said, I am Cherick and I'm one of the guys here at the park. Of course, this park is actually situated firstly in Barbono. It's actually the second largest constituency, just so you know. And Barbono is a very much lovely area, very much known for farming. Actually, the name Barbono is French. It means the region of good drinking water. Okay, the park has been established for a little over 14 years now, and of course the 21st of March will be 15 years since we have been in operation. Our flagship store would be the aerial tram, which everything circulates around. Of course, the aerial tram gives you an offer of getting to see the rainforest at different levels, especially the wonderful canopy. You have the understory, and we have what's called the emergent layer, which is actually one of the highlights of the trip, where you get to see a panoramic view of the east and west, of the island. And of course, on a very beautiful day like today, we actually have a great opportunity to see marten. Alright, however, we do offer a combination of the aerial tram and doing zipline, which is sold as our Trinity or the ultimate trip. It offers taking the aerial trip, doing some aerial ziplining, and of course a forest hike. We have just the adrenaline, which offers only ziplining. We have what we call the Jaco Trail, which is mainly walking the forest, a 3-hour excursion where you start from here at the base, go to the top, and also take the forest for a walk back there. And of course, we have bird watching for persons who are very big in birding here, where you could get there as early as 6. Lastly, our latest addition would be the forest yoga and massage. We do have a brand new studio set up for that, and of course, it's nothing better. Having a nice isolation in the rainforest here is all you need.
So it's raining cats and dogs up in here, but we're here. Yes, we're about to get suited up.
I'm so afraid to put you guys. See the heights? I never got it. Why told people afraid of heights? Shervon and Paulette because he's scared of heights. And he's the tallest in all three of us. This is my son. What's wrong? Yeah, the tour guides, they are awesome. There are some good tour guides.
This is Charles. This is Louis, our guide.
The one and only. So, show one at it. Let's do it. Yeah, man. Alright, again. She can go here. They have 8 zip lines, 9 platforms. Let's enjoy all of them. You reach.
Oh my God! General! The General. Okay.
Yeah, buddy!
Cherick made it. Yeah. About to do the very last line. Long. So yeah. Yeah. We ready. Woohoo! Yes! I got this. Woo! What's the minute about this? Woo! Yes! We're going on the beach right now. We there.
My lad. You make it in one piece, eh?
Yes, I made it to the very last line. It's extremely long. Yes, guys, you heard it here. Don't forget to check out Rainforest Adventures on Instagram at Rainforest Adventures. Tag them in all of your photos. Hashtag Rainforest Adventures yourself. Check them out. So we've come to the end of our very exciting zipline adventure with Rainforest Adventures. And let me tell you, we had some crazy fun.
Honestly, I did my best. I survived, thankfully. So again, people come right in Babo now to Rainforest and Rainforest Adventures. So.
Yes, so make sure you guys like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Lucia, and also Facebook. And download the Loop app in the Play Store. See you next time.
Bye.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Loop Adventures in St. Lucia. I'm your host, Sharine. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Loop Adventures in St. Lucia. I'm your host, Sharine.
And I'm Shervon. And today
we're at Rainforest.